Welcome to another episode of Less Than 20 Lines of Code. In this particular video, we are going to look at how to create a simple random password generator in Python with just less than 20 lines of code. This Python script combines letters, digits, and punctuation into a set of characters and then randomly selects characters to generate a password of a given length. And then finally, it will print the password. So, what I'm going to do is first, let's say import string. That's what I need. Then I'm going to say create a function called as generate password and pass the length of how big I want the password to be. Now if I want to call this, I am going to say password underscore length equal to, let's say, 12. New password new password equal to, call this function and pass the password length to it, and finally print generated password is new password. So I'll print this out. So now the main function. To do that, first let's get some characters equal to string. Use the ASCII letters. Then I'll take a string with digits and then string dot punctuation mark. It's so difficult to kind of think of new passwords these days, so it's better to have a string, to have a password generator. Now next, I'll say password variable equal to empty string join random dot choice from my characters. So whatever I got here, I'm gonna randomly pick something and go in a for loop range of the length that is passed to me. So this will take my characters and then randomly add them front and back, and finally return the password to whoever called it and print it out. 13 lines of code. If you remove the comments, it's much less, but that's our script. So let's run it. First, create an environment, python -mv environment, call it password. Next, I will say source password /bin/activate, and then I'll clear it out. Now, so before we run it, probably have forgot something here. Import random to run this now. Python password dot py, and there you go, it generated me a password. Let's try again, another password. So you can keep on generating as many as you want. So there you go, this is a quick less than 20 lines of code to generate a random password in Python. If you had any issues or problems, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you.